Now we will see the trick, the amazing magic of learning the vocabulary with this new phone. Now, how we are going to learn with this device? I have done the default setting of language, that means idioma, as Espanol. So what you will see is over here domingo, DOM, it's domingo. Today is Sunday, 21st of Abril is April. Now what we will see over here is sim, solo llamadas de emergencio. Sim is insert sim. Now when we will go ahead, we will see it is asking to introduce pin. Introducir is introduce. El pin contiene al menos cuatro dígitos. So it is saying that the pin contains 4 digits. Right? Now once we will enter the pin and we will press the OK. Before that you can see it is saying llamada de emergencia. Llamada de emergencia is for the emergency calls. After going ahead, when we press OK, what we will see over here is teléfono, mensajes. This is the way we are learning the vocabulary. Mensajes, messages. Cámara, see the spelling. Cámara, A with tilde, cámara, camera. Galería. Then comes reloj, clock, reloj. Contactos, contacts. Ajustes is settings. Then comes calendario. Now if we talk about ajustes, that is settings, you will see a long list of known words. You are aware of all these settings of your device, but in Espanol you will learn this set of vocabulary, starting with conexiones. You know its connections. Then comes dispositivos conectados. You also know about it. Now modos y rutinas, sonidos y vibración. This is the way when we go through our device in this language, we will get to know more about it. It's like pantalla, display, claro, clear, oscuro, dark screen, brillo, brightness. Then comes brillo automatico, automatic brightness. Then when we go ahead, we will see a long list. This is all the settings which we are aware of, we go through on daily routine in our device, but we never thought of that we can use this settings as and our device to learn something new. See, right? So let me know, did you like this idea of learning a new language? Similarly, if we talk about the calendar, you can learn the days and the months over here. Similarly, when we talk about the other apps, suppose we go for messages, mensajes, todos means today. No hay conversaciones, there is no conversations. I means there is. Similarly, conversaciones, contactos and tarjetas útiles. So in this way we can learn a lot with this new trick. So hope you liked it. Let me know whether you learned something new or not. Thank you. Have a nice day.